So, hello everybody. I'm Torsten Reinert. I'm the head of sales and business development for Western Europe. And we have a lot of robots here, but we have one special feature for you. So, come with me. So you all know the CC1. It's a cleaning expert who's delivering all over the world cleaning tasks day by day, already in the thousands. And as you can see, there's a new feature. Now let's have a closer look. So I think it's obvious. We put a screen on top of the CC1. It's a really nice 15.6-inch screen, which is delivering a really nice visual and also a sound. We put this on a metal structure. You can hear it. It's really robust. And the power supply is done via the CC1 itself. And it's very easy to maintain. It's a pad, so you can upload all your stuff via the desktop online into the pad. Okay, not also on top of the CC1, also in the rear, you still have our display, which is already known. And you also can put some pictures and videos into this display. So you have a display in the rear and also in the front. So marketing and cleaning is now combined. The CC1 cleans the floor and carries your ad.